Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Muhammad Farhan Lapsi with my NPM 22312084. In this video, I will present about backtracking in the context of an analysis and design of algorithm course. 1. Definition of backtracking. Backtracking is a systematic algorithm technique employed in solve problem where multiple possibilities exist. It operates by exploring its potential solution methodically and incrementally when a particular solution path is determined to be invalid. The algorithm retreats to the previous decision point known as backtracking and pursues an alternative course. 2. Recursive structure. The recursive structure is a fundamental to the implementation of backtracking. Each recursive call corresponds to a decision point in the problem-solved process, allowing the algorithm to natively drop the solution space in a stepwise manner. 3. State space tree. The state space tree is an illustrative representation of the exploration process. During backtracking, nodes in the tree correspond to distinct states or decisions, and the edge represent the transition from one state to another. 4. Decision space. Decision space encompasses the set of choices available at each decision point within the problem. Backtracking systematically examines each option within this decision space, seeking a viable solution. 5. Pruning. Pruning involves the strategic elimination of branches within the search space that cannot lead to an optimal solution. This is exhibited by incorporating conditions or criteria that, when not met, trigger the termination of a specific branch exploration. 6. Partial solution and full solution. During the backtracking process, partial solutions are generated iteratively. These partial solutions are interim results that are assessed to determine if they can be extended to form a complete, valid solution satisfying all specific conditions. 7. Example of backtracking problems. The course may introduce classic problems that lend themselves well to backtracking solution. Examples include the n-queen problem, where the goal is to place n-queen on an nxn chessboard without any two queens trading each other, or the subset sum problem, involving finding a subset of a given set of numbers that adds up to a specific target sum. 8. Time and space complexity. Analysis of the time and space complexity of backtracking algorithm is crucial. Understanding how the algorithm performance scales with the size of the problem and the decision space aids in assessing its efficiency. 9. Optimally of solution. Consideration of whether the solution derived through backtracking are always optimal, or if there are scenarios where suboptimal solution may be encountered contingent on the specific characteristic of the problem. 10. Implementation and optimization. Delving into the practical implementation of backtracking algorithms and exploring optimization techniques. This includes consideration for optimizing memory usage, reducing redundant computation, and refining the algorithm for enhanced performance. 11. Backtracking paradigm and problem classification. discussing how backtracking from a paradigm approach for problem solving and its applicability to various problem classification, understanding the type of problem where backtracking excels, such as combinatorial optimization or constraint specification problems. 12. Dynamic programming versus backtracking. Drawing distinction between backtracking and dynamic programming, while both involve systematic exploration of solution space. Dynamic programming focuses on storing and reusing solutions to subproblems, where backtracking emphasizes the systematic exploration of possibilities. 13. Backtracking in graph problem. Exploring how backtracking is employed in graph-related problems such as finding a Hamiltonian cycle or solving the graph coloring problem. Discussing how the choice of decision space and pruning strategies influence the efficiency of backtracking algorithms in graph context. 14. Constraint stratification problem, or CSPS, delving into how backtracking is particularly well suited for constraint stratification problems where variables must be assigned values subject to specific constraints. Examining techniques like constraint propagation and variable ordering that enhance backtracking for CSPS. 15. Advanced pruning technique. Going beyond basic pruning, discussing advanced pruning technique like forward checking and the use of heuristics to efficiently discard unpromising branches, analyzing their impact on the algorithm performance and highlighting scenarios where they are particularly beneficial. 16. Parallelization of backtracking, addressing the challenge and opportunities in parallelizing backtracking algorithms, exploring how parallelization can be leveraged to explore different branches concurrently, potential improving the overall runtime for certain problem instance. 17. Examining real-world application of backtracking algorithm, showcasing instances where backtracking provides effective solution. Example might include network, routing, scheduling, or bioinformatics problem, emphasizing the practical relevance of the backtracking paradigm. 18. Hybrid approach. Discussing hybrid approach that combine backtracking with other algorithm techniques such as a greedy algorithm or divide and conquer strategies, analyzing how this hybrid approach capitalizes on the strengths of multiple techniques to address complex problems. In conclusion, a comprehensive exploration of backtracking within the framework of an analysis and design of algorithm course involves not only the foundational principles, but also delves into advanced topic application and interdisciplinary connection. This multifaceted approach ensures that students gain a holistic understanding of backtracking and its diverse range of application in algorithm problem solving. Maybe this is presentation for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.